Please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to another book review. This time it is from KLP Publishing, and this is an online source for your scale modeling needs. These are fantastic publications here, and you can see here KLP has a great selection of books available online for you to download and to view these on any of your electronic devices. And you can see one of the newest books out there is the Airfix Sea King book, but in this review I will be reviewing the Razorback in 1/32 scale, and you can see some of the other choices here from the menu option from KLP. I do highly recommend them. They are fantastic books, and we'll look at the Razorback book here. Very reasonably priced, and you can purchase right online and download online. Have immediate access to this book. Every book featured on the website gives you a preview of what's inside the book, and with this review here I will show you everything that's contained within the book, all the different chapters and everything associated with it. And like I said, this is the Trumpeter P-47D Razorback in 1/32 scale. So giving you some examples here of what's inside the pages of the book. Very detailed photography. How-tos. And about the author, John Kim. About the kit that's used in this book. And the accuracy involved with the kit compared to line drawings. Giving you some examples of the details the kit offers. Some of the shortfalls with the kit are listed, along with historical photographs to back up what the author is actually building. Then he gets right into building the model, starting off with the instrument panel, the side panels of the interior, and the massive engine, the details with the engine, some of the scratch building that the author did, and the interior buildup of the model, the landing gear struts and detailing the struts themselves, painting the landing gear, the wing fuel drain lines, and the external stores with the bombs in this picture here, painting and finishing. Shows you his checkered pattern cowl and the weathering along with the invasion stripes that are going on there. He did actually incur some problems during the painting process, and don't we all do that? He does very good at showing you this and showing you how to correct for it, which I want to commend the author for that, because most books will cover that up, and this is here, as I was talking about with the decals, gave him some issues, but he shows you how to fix that, and he shows you how he enhanced the decals, then laying down some pastels for washes, and how he does everything on top of a really nice paint stand, and of course his weathering and everything going along with that. the salt method. And giving you views of the cockpit from the outside. Then he gives you, towards the end of the book, a gallery of the finished model. Fantastic here. So this book is jam-packed full of photography, how-tos, and I highly recommend it. It's a fantastic book. He also gives you aftermarket products and a list of book references for building the model. And there you go. I would like to thank KLP Publishing for the review of this book, and mostly Kevin Footer for offering that to me. If you want to purchase this yourself, head over to their website, click on the book. He has easy checkout available and different ways of paying for it. Very simple to do, and all this is at your fingertips. And there you go. That was my review of the KLP Publishing's P-47D Razorback. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.